How to fix payment failed Cash App error. Message: hello everyone, in this tutorial I will show you step by step how to fix payment failed Cash App error message. First, open or launch the Cash App mobile application just like you can see here. You will land on the home page of the app where you will see different sections that you can use to navigate to different areas of the app. From the options that are here, the one we need is this one here at the top right corner of the screen with the profile icon. Make sure you tap on it. This will take you to the profile section of your Cash App account. Next, scroll down. Make sure you are following the tutorial step by step to avoid making any mistakes. Okay, let us proceed. Next, tap on this option here named Support. The page will start loading. Make sure you wait for it. This is the support page of Cash App. On this page, there are options that you can use to find solutions to issues you face on the app. From them, make sure you tap this option named Payments. After you tap on it, this page with these other options appears. From them, tap this one here named Sending Payments. This page will appear where you will see more options that are related to the issue at hand. After that, make sure you scroll down to the bottom of the screen. Next, tap here, Chat. The page will load and then you will land. The feedback box of the Cash App. Here, you are supposed to type a short message explaining to the support team the issue you are facing. Make sure you explain to them clearly, just like I am doing. Finally, send them a message and give them time. They will respond to you with a solution. Thanks. That is, how to fix payment failed Cash App error message.